To find outfit ideas based on what you want to wear for the day, you can use the Explore Outfits tab, which you can access by tapping Outfits along the top menu. Once the Explore Outfits page opens, tap Show Filters. If you're on a computer, these filters will show automatically. Within Filters, look for the Outfit Pieces section. Let's say you want to wear your neutral skirt. Type neutral skirt in the dialog box and select it from the menu. The outfit ideas will start to load below. Now let's say you want the outfit to be casual. Come back up to the filters and tap Formality and select Casual. The outfits are further filtered down to show you neutral skirt outfits that are casual. If it's fall and you want to see how to transition this piece for the cooler months, tap Season and select Fall. Again, the outfit choices are filtered further. Now let's say you want to get more ideas of how the outfit is styled by women who share your body type. Let's remove a few of these filters so we get more results. We can come up here to Image Type. Now instead of Original Outfits, which is showing us the Front Fighter official outfits, we can uncheck that and select Models. We can also come down here and select the body type we'd like to see. Let's choose Pair. When we go down here, we can see that this is how models who have identified their body shape as pair have styled the neutral skirt. Remember, you can save any outfit idea you'd like by tapping the bookmark here. You can access your saved outfits by tapping Saved Outfits along the top menu. And this is how you find outfit ideas using filters to specify the pieces you'd like to wear and other needs that you have.